Welcome to Salient Systems User Training. In this segment, we'll show you how to use the CompleteView Video Player to view exported video clips and session files. Once exported from CompleteView, all video clips are saved in an AVI format. While you can view the exported clips in any AVI-capable video player, only the CompleteView Player allows you to use digital PTZ, take snapshots of the video clip, playback multiple video clips at the same time, and can even verify that the video has not been tampered with. So let's get started. Alright, once you've finished exporting your video from CompleteView, you'll be able to open the export location and view your clips. Mine are stored on an export folder located on the desktop, so I'll minimize CompleteView and open my export folder. Inside the folder, I'll see all of the clips that I've exported, any session files that I exported, and the video player. To view a clip, I'll start by opening the CompleteView Player. Then from the main menu, I'll choose File and Open, and then select one of my clips to view. Playback begins as soon as the clip opens in the window. At the very top of the clip, I have a title bar that tells me the name of the camera that the video is recorded from, the server that camera is attached to, and at the very right-hand side is the name of the exported clip. I can also use digital PTZ in the CompleteView Player. To do that, I just click into the playback window, and my cursor will turn into that crosshair. And then I can roll my middle mouse button in to zoom in, out to zoom out, and I can click to center. So if I put my crosshair in this bowl of fruit on the table and click, it will center that bowl of fruit in my screen. The playback controls are located at the bottom of the window, and you can also adjust the playback speed. You can also simply drag the play indicator back and forth and just scrub along that timeline. The snapshot button will open an interface that allows me to save snapshots from the exported video. There's a few other tools that come with this. First, I can left-click anywhere into the snapshot and it will zoom in, and right-clicking will zoom out. If I'm zoomed in, I can also select the full frame option, and that will zoom all the way out. I can save my snapshot as a bitmap, JPEG, and I can still print a hard copy. Now with the hard copy option, I have the ability to smooth zoom on that. Smooth zoom attempts to smooth out any pixelation that occurs in the snapshot when you're printing it so that things like facial features or license plates might become more recognizable. Now some printers don't support image smoothing with their driver, but you can override the printer driver to force the smooth image to print. Also, each playback tile has a right-click option that allows you to switch the view from the standard letterbox to stretch to fit. And if you're using a panoramic or a 360 camera, you'll also have the ability to de-warp that camera view in the playback. Finally, you can verify that your video has not been tampered with in any way. To do this, select File and Verify, and you should see a screen like this little window that pops up that says no files have been tampered with. If your video has been altered in any way, the verification screen will appear that looks like this one. And that's all there is to using CompleteView Player to view a single exported clip. Next, I'll show you how to open multiple clips at the same time, and after that, how to view a session file. Okay, viewing multiple clips in the player is just a matter of selecting more than one clip in the Explorer. And you can even add more clips to the current selection. So to view multiple clips, just select File and Open. And this time I'm going to select 3 additional clips. Now you can multi-select clips by holding the Control key down and clicking multiple clips, or you can hold the Shift key down and select them in a block. I'm going to select these 3, and those are added to the original clip that I had, giving me a total of 4. They're going to play back in chronological order. If multiple clips are occurring at the same time, then you'll see multiple tiles being filled by that video. Otherwise, as soon as one clip finishes, you won't have to wait through all of the dead space in between the clips. It will automatically jump to the next clip in the timeline. All the playback controls work just like before, and with snapshots, any playback tile that currently has video is affected by the snapshot. So if I have a single clip and I select Take Snapshot, it just gives me the one option. If I happen to have multiple clips playing back at the same time and select Snapshot, it will choose the first one, let me set my parameters and save it, and then it will bring up the second. I can still verify the video's integrity. Select File and Verify, and I get my positive message, no files have been tampered with. If any of the 4 clips that are currently in the playback have been modified in any way, a negative result is returned. And that's all there is to running multiple clips in playback. Next, we're going to cover using a session file. In simple terms, a session file ties multiple exported video clips and user-entered incident information together using metadata. This allows you to view multiple camera incidents chronologically. So to open a session file, go up to the main menu, select File, Open, and then in the bottom of the Explorer window, you're going to change your files of type from AVI to Session Files. Then choose your session file, open it, and again, the video will begin to play. You can see that my session file has clips from 3 different cameras attached to it. The metadata from the session file displays export and clip information, including a description of the incident, the export time, the user account that did the export, the location of the incident, and the time of the incident. Below that are descriptions for each clip that give the clip name, the start time, and which camera the clip came from. All of my playback controls work just like they do with a single clip or multi-clip playback. The same with snapshots. If I take a snapshot, only the active camera is affected. And if I have more than one camera playing at the same time and take a snapshot, again, I'll get options to save both. And just like with a single clip or a multi-clip, you can also verify the video with a session file. And again, if any of the video clips have been modified in any way, it'll come back that they're not original. And that's really all there is to using the CompleteView Video Player to review your clips. Again, you've got those tools in there, the PTZ, and you can also verify your video. If you found this video helpful, follow us for more user training videos. And if you have comments on our videos, send an email to training@salientsys.com. Thanks for watching.